Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing of the much loved Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set. This is going to be item RXFT35. Reason I picked it up today, I recently, finally, after like years of shopping at Harbor Freight, and I'm sorry, the other item number 58074. I've always thought about being the Inside Track Club member, and every single time I go, all the million times I go a year, I never do it. I always say next time, next time. Maybe I'll need it next time. Well, a few days ago, I decided, you know what, I'm going to do it. So I signed up, and today is December 28th, 2023, and they have a 25% off of any item with a bunch of exclusions, as we know. But Icon was not one of the exclusions. So I went and picked it up. One of the interesting things that I did not know about this is how small it is. I'm actually getting a tape measure. Sorry if I sound far away. I always thought this thing was at least double in size. But measurement, I mean, the box itself is just under 5.5 inches long and just under 3 inches wide, and then 1.5 inches. So this thing's tiny. I really thought it was gonna be, I don't know, let me see. I have some stop block box like this. I thought it was gonna be about this size. I have another thing similar to this from I think it's from Stanley that I bought at Walmart years back. I have it in a drawer at the house. It's always useful for any little thing. I might need one of the sockets, or I'm sorry, the ratchet bits or something like that, screwdriver bit, whatever it might be. So yeah, I thought it was gonna be about this size. Even this is real portable, but man, this thing is tiny. Now I understand why everybody wanted one, why it's so famous on, I don't know if you guys are on Reddit for the Harbor Freight sub. This is called the meme tool because there's so many memes about it. Everybody wants one. So let's get into this. Let's see. Got this, oops, I have it upside down. I'm busy looking at the phone that's recording instead of, I didn't even cut through it, huh? What's going on? Let's see. All right, so there we go. Open this up. Man, it's even smaller in the box, huh? Holy moly, this thing is tiny. So there you go. There we have it like that. Let's see, put this back on. And there we go. So there you have it. That's what it's going to look like there. All right, so let me see. Oops, sorry for the shakiness. Trying to get better lighting. I don't know what's up with my camera today. There, my phone, it looks a little darker. My hands are like reddish, but anyway, so it says 35-piece set, slim locking flex head ratchet for hard to reach areas. Extension can be used to lengthen the bit driver or convert it to a T-handle for added torque. And as you can see on here, it does have that part right there. Let me focus it there. There you go. And you guys can see there. Bam. There you go. This little part. 32 bits included, Torx, slotted, Phillips, hex, and Posy drive. Don't know how you pronounce that. Never seen that one before. I'm actually interested to find out what these are. I see them down here. I'm a DIY guy and no way an expert on any of this stuff. But I do love when people do unboxings and show you what something looks like, instead of trying to just buy something hoping it's what you're going to want. Let's see. Okay. So to open it, it actually has this little mechanism. You got to slide over and open. Oh, that is cool. There you go. You guys get a better look there. Let me see. Try to get some better lighting. Okay. There we go. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm all over the place today. And put it back in the frame. And if you see here, yeah, this thing is tiny, man. But okay. Got that there. Locks in nicely. The box is solid. The storage container. Okay, let me see. Cool. All right, close it back up. It locks itself. To open once again, you got to push that up. Man, this thing is solid. This You know, it's not going to be the most comfortable thing, but you can put this in your pocket and carry it around. I'd say most little speakers that have people carry now, the Bluetooth speakers or some of the little battery packs that people have, are about this size or smaller. That thing is tiny. If you guys have any questions or you guys have this item, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it, what you guys use it for. I know most people that I've read on the Reddit subs, they all talk about how they have multiple of these. One at the house, one in their motorcycle saddlebag, one on the boat, one in their truck, whatever it might be. For myself, this is probably going to replace that little Stanley one that I have. It's just a little bit more useful, or maybe just have it in my truck. That way it's always with me, even if I'm not at home. You know, just run out to the truck and grab it if I have to. Who knows? Maybe by tomorrow I'll swing by Harbor Freight again and use the coupon again. 25% off right now for Inside Track Club members. I love this thing. If you guys have any experience with it, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about it. Please subscribe, like, and thanks, guys. We'll see you.